according to the directions, they want E to, not on top, but inside and under. So we'll be putting it up under the bars. And as you know, I screw them in first by hand, you know, if you've been following. Then I'll come with the Allen wrench. It's really nothing to it, guys. Nothing at all. Okay, that's nice and tight. Now we have to get bolt D, which is the golden one, and part G. And it's very important you use this bolt because it's because of the color, of course. So I put it in by hand. Now just get the nut and screw the nut on. So far so good. Now it's time to just tighten it up. I won't be able to show you this, but of course you can have the Allen wrench ready, and you have the wrench ready to hold the nut, and you'll figure out how to do it, whatever makes you comfortable, as long as it gets tight. So here's an example. I can feel it getting tight, so you don't want the bolt to move. That's why you want to hold the Allen wrench. Okay? So it's nice and tight now. Good job. If you're worried about the nut scratching the floor, it doesn't touch the floor. I have my finger in between the floor and the nut, so you'll be fine. Now they want us to connect A and use the 4 bolts here. So I'm gonna have to take the rest of the foam off the legs. Looks like we'll be adding the bolts from underneath. So you're gonna just flip it over with the cushion and just line up the bolts. So we're gonna do it according to the drawing. So you see that? Okay. You're gonna think that the bolts aren't long enough, but they are. You just have to push the legs into the bottom of the seat a little more, that's all. And once you get them in, you can come with the Allen wrench and just tighten them up. No big deal. The last one might give you trouble, so it's better to have it like this, and then you push down on the bar and then screw the bolt in with your hand till it's tight, and then you come with the Allen wrench. Another reason why you don't have to worry about the leg scraping the floor, it has this little furniture pad here, so you'll be okay. I have one more to do. I'm gonna put the plastic on this. Looks okay. Well, I don't exactly know how this arrangement is going to go, but this is it. Kept the foam and plastic on it. It's the material is cloth black, so it's easy to get lint and dust on it, so take care of it. Not much to do. You guys have a great day. Bye.